All right, we are inside the home now of Don Dusendang. And Don has quite the impressive collection. And I learn something new every time I look at a collection, and I want to start with this. I thought that was a solid black head. I didn't know that was a crystal plastic. That's kind of cool. Here's the Smarts. Those were vitamins in there. You don't want to be eating too many of those candies. They will make you sick. And then over here, we have a display case of some items for sale. Of course, a chair that you can't sit in because you have PEZ items in. Everybody has that in their PEZ room. But speaking of candies, get these here. Different variations here displayed. So eucalyptus up there.
I got a light right there.
It's the free sample packs. That should be good. The Bikini Lady. And PEZ Pow comic. That's really cool. Let's see, where do you go? Oh, there it is. Chlorophyll. Did chlorophyll come with psychedelic, or do you know? That one there.
Yeah, that's as far as all I know.
Oh, okay. And then here is Mr. Ugly and his friends. All of these no-foot dispensers. Look at the witches. Look at the witches. No, down here. Yeah, we're going to be doing a video separately for these. See the two different heads? See the two different sides? Yep. There's some more witches over here. There's the Doppelpack and Smoke Paws. Now this is a cool way to display your bicentennials. This is the thing that really stands out to me in the collection. Just something that's really simple, but really unique. Very cool. Here's some more stickers. And a candy dispenser. Some vending boxes. With candy in them. And here we have, for only 29 cents, you can have a 6-pack with the PEZ comic inside. Make sure to collect all the dispensers. And save your wrappers for that nice little candy shooter there. Here we have some foreign vitamins and different candies. And trucks. And here are some more candies displayed. This grape one right here, really hard to find. Oh, and look at the tiny packs. Free sample. I'm going to get one of those before I leave, remind me. Here are some inserts that go in your vending machine, so you can see what is available. A lot of Disney characters there. We got Happy Panda. We have body parts on the wall. And not to mention, I'm not going to overlook this. So we have pony races, pony races, pony races. Yet Don, I think he's a ringer at the pony races at PEZ Mania. So be careful. Be careful. He's out there to win some more. Here we have a Santa case. Here we see a twist top Santa Claus. And then the Santa Claus Vin box. Are both of your full bodies Austria? Or do you know?
I don't really even know.
Oh, okay. They're both the same, I know that.
Get 'em out.
Nah, we're good. They're both the same face. But there is a Germany version and a Austria version.
And I think they're both Austria.
Nice carded Halloween. the FX. And FX didn't just make the hand holding the Earth. They also had these Ninja Turtles that you see back here. And it comes with a costume. That one's really neat. Steampunk Alien, found one. There we see the Crystal, Police Officer, and Fireman Pow, the re-releases. And look at this. Die cut, die cut, die cut, die cut, die cut, die cut. The complete set. Collect them all, and Don said okay. Not just in cello form, but he also has them over here as well. But we'll get back to that. We're over here. Here are a bunch of different PEZ dispensers in the variety. With your 6-packs of candy. The Family Assortment. Buy extra PEZ candy 6-packs. Very cool. And down here is a truck display. See the card there. Very cool. And these are triple pack of candies. Only a quarter. But for 29 cents, you get 6-packs over there. And you see the football player. Is that mint in box?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's cool. And 2 clickers. These are the real old style clickers there. And here you see a variety of more. Let's see if I can get it on camera. See the US Zone Germany there? Yeah. You'll see that on these. Some of them have a little rust spots on them. And if you've never heard a clicker click, can I click a clicker? It is that annoying noise.
Yeah, that's 2 sets there.
Yeah. I like the weightlifter guy here. It's another truck set. The Pentagon stand. It will hold 6 dispensers. It was a mail-in premium. Knight and a Ringmaster. Look at that. That Ringmaster still has his mustache intact. Very fragile. Very fragile. And now we're getting into some gathering dispensers and different conventions. And here we finally have some misfits. They're becoming harder and harder to find, these misfits. And it looks like you have a bunch of different variations. And here you can see a black stem on the red head on the blue stem, the yellow on green, yellow on white. So they did hodgepodge them together and fudge them together because, hey, that's what was selling at the time. Oh, here we have the eBay Hearts collection. Here we have the glow-in-the-dark one. That one's a hard one to find.
You know, what's up with the glow-in-the-dark stem on those? Is that a switcheroo?
I don't know if that is.
I always wondered.
I know that these, I've seen these on card. I've never seen the glow-in-the-dark stems on card. So if anybody knows, please leave it down below in the comments. It really helps when we all share the knowledge that we have. So if Don's going to share his collection, at least share some knowledge with him. Those are really cool. Oh, here's the M2 model kit, where you can make your own PEZ car. There's the little truck. There is the Stand By Me that was given away as a freebie, if you will, when you go and see the movie. I think it was available the first week. There's another one of these orange head. Put a different decal in the back. That is a Yugo. Now, when we get down here to the PEZ girls, this one I want to show. When I talk about a double IMC, see the 4 and then the other number there next to it? That is the double IMC. They will be on a 3/4 Austria like so. And then you'll be able to see the double IMC there. Big 4, little 5. If you look here at the hair colors, this yellow here on the middle boy is an amazing yellow color. See how similar it is to the common girls back there? Well, then you look here, these are some uncommon girls, and this one right here is the pink-haired girl. Very beautiful dispenser. Very cool. And here we have some Mr. Uglies. Mr. Ugly was made in Austria. Mr. Ugly was also made in the United States of America. These are U.S. down here in the corner, right?
No, all the U.S. are up.
Or up at the top. Oh, that's where you had them. Okay.
I like this one here. Look at that color there.
That is a very cool color. Sorry, I'm going to have to disagree. The one on the yellow stem, that is a cool color.
Yeah. There's a lot of different varieties.
Yeah. Mr. Ugly, you can see with the different stem colors, the different face plates. Many different varieties on them. Hey, even a sticker. How you doing, Angelo? And here we get into the Mania Lounge Lizard Trucks, and then our Mania dispensers. And this is really cool. See all these carded pins that he put here on this, what is it, just like a canvas?
Yeah, kind of like a canvas board.
Okay.
Took me forever to figure out something to display them all.
It's amazing.
It weighs a ton.
Oh, I bet. And look at this room he has in his PEZ room. Future PEZ will go here. And Don said he is into bunnies just as much as he is witches, and here is part of his bunny army. And like I was showing you before, the die cuts. And there's those chase trucks everybody's been going after. Here we have some no-feet dispensers. The Panther, always one of my favorites. Some astronauts up here. Sean Peterson autographed PEZ. So those crystal Sesame Streets, those are so hard to find anymore. And look at the monsters. And up here, the eerie specters.
No Web Spidey up there, too.
Oh, that's the No Web Spider-Man. Let's check him out. Yep, see the eyelets. See the smooth back of his head. Yep. That's a cool dispenser. And then here we see the Fishman and the Creature and the Creature from the Black Lagoon. He collected them all. Amazing. And now we get into some cool pals. And there's going to be a particular pal that I zero in on. Right here. That is the Hong Kong Doctor. If you've ever heard the doctor missing the hair, well, it was from Hong Kong. Now, they took out the hair piece so that they could save money. Not only on shipping, but also on production of it. It doesn't have to be meant in cello, but it does have to be on this particular stem. So I can get in there, see how it's a 3/4 no country. It's an IMC 7, and that is made in Hong Kong. An extremely, extremely rare piece. Completely different from this Austria one missing the hair. So the one I wanted to zoom in and show you, check out that green inner sleeve on that Yugo. Oh yeah, super, super green. How green, you say? That green. That is
green.
Cool. But not that green. Not that green. Some more soft heads. The Gundam in the boxes. I do like the Gundam. Japanese release set. And the masks and the hats. This one down here I do like the Hobo. Complete with cigarette in mouth. The Pirate. Here we have a stand-up display with some no-feet dispensers. As you can see, it's starting to run out of room. Oh, and look at that one there. The Crystal Elf. That's a hard one to find, folks. If you find it, snatch it up. Hard one to find. A lot of cool crystals there. Now, Don, when you put these together in sets like this, was there any particular order or just...
Well, originally they were the same sets, but now I kind of just mold them in wherever I got a spot.
Okay. It always starts with a good plan, and then more PEZ gets involved.
Yeah. And you got too many. A couple domino effects mess things up too.
And here you can see ran out of space and just starts coming out here. And these cool displays just waiting to be put up.
But no place to put them.
No place to put them. And here is an uncut sheet of Trübenzucker. Very cool. So until next time.